We can model this multiplication using a rectangle. If the length is 57...
Traditional education research on instructor gestures relies on pre-recorded videos of instructors. The instructor performs a detailed script that specifies what gestures have to occur and at what time. The approach has important disadvantages. First, learning and performing long and detailed scripts for multiple conditions is challenging. Second, the instructor has difficulty keeping secondary parameters constant from condition to condition, such as body motion, speech rate, and level of enthusiasm. Video stimuli often appear constrained and unnatural. Instructors have to focus on remembering the script and the exact secondary parameters of the delivery, and they cannot simply be teachers. An alternative approach is to use computer animation characters that serve as instructor avatars. However, current computer animation software systems require artistic talent and programming expertise to model, animate, and control characters. In this paper, we present a system for creating stimuli for research on instructor gesture in education without the prerequisites of artistic talent or programming expertise. The system provides an animation character that serves as an instructor avatar. The avatar is controlled with a script, like the ones used by education researchers to create video stimuli. The script is created with a text editor. This sequence illustrates the creation of a mathematical equivalence lesson. First, the script defines the whiteboard. Then, the avatar is asked to speak the introductory sequence by lip-syncing to a pre-recorded audio segment.
Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn about the equal sign. The equal sign is a symbol that tells us about the two things on either side of it.
Parallel outward focus charisma gestures are added to enhance the delivery of the introductory sequence.
Today we're going to learn about the equal sign. The equal sign is a symbol that tells us about the two things on either side of it.
Then the avatar is asked to speak the explanatory sequence.
Let's see how this works. Remember, the equal sign means that the total amount on the left side must be the same as the right side.
The avatar is asked to turn to the whiteboard, to point to the equal sign, and then to turn back to face the audience again. The script synchronizes the gesture to the audio sequence. A balanced embodied cognition gesture is added to illustrate the equilibrium implied by the equality.
Total amount on the left side must be the same as the right side.
Here is the complete exercise without and with instructor gesture.
About the equal sign. The equal sign is a symbol that tells us about the two things on either side of it. Whatever is on one side of the equal sign needs to be the same amount as whatever is on the other side of the equal sign. Let's see how this works. Remember, the equal sign means that the total amount on the left side must be the same as the right side. This will help us figure out what goes inside the blank. One side needs to equal the other side. You know you have the right answer when the two sides are the same amount.
The avatar has a rich gesture vocabulary accessible through the script. The avatar can turn to the board, move to reach the far end of the board, and point, underline, and write anything and anywhere on the board. The avatar can also make a variety of charisma gestures, including inward, vertical, and outward gestures, one hand, two hands parallel, and two hands unsynchronized gestures, as well as small and large amplitude gestures. So far, we have used the system in 2 studies that investigated instructor charisma and math learning benefits of gesture, involving 56 college students and 51 3rd and 4th graders. The system allowed creating accurate stimuli for tens of conditions with little effort. The system demonstrates potential for becoming a powerful tool for research on gesture in education and beyond.